PlanetTogether has scheduling features called lock and anchor. Lock allows you to lock a particular order to a currently scheduled work center or line. Anchor allows you to anchor a particular order to a currently scheduled time. These features may be necessary to keep orders locked to the work center or line or anchored in time during the optimize function. If you go to the Gantt view, you notice this order is on line PAC 03. These green triangles indicate that this order can go on PAC 1, 2, 3, or 4. To lock it to line PAC 03, right-click on the order, go to Lock to Current Resource, and select it. You notice there's a dark blue bar on the top, and there is a horizontal dash pattern on the order. To unlock the order, right-click and perform the same action. You can also do this from the Jobs view. In the bottom left, with the View tabs, click on the Jobs View tab. Ensure your order is highlighted in blue, and then select the lock icon. If I go back to the Gantt view, you'll see the order is locked. To anchor the order in time, right-click and select Anchor in Time. You'll notice a vertical dashed line pattern and also dark blue lines on the left and right. To undo the anchor, right-click and repeat the process. You can also, from the Jobs view, select the anchor by highlighting the job and clicking the anchor icon. If I go back to the Gantt view, it's anchored. One thing to note with an anchored order, when you optimize, it may drift. If it drifts less than a day, the order will be outlined in yellow. If it drifts more than a day, the whole order will be highlighted in orange. This is due to resource constraints.